In this video, I'll guide you through how to auto-sync folders in Google Drive using Google Drive for Desktop. By the end, you'll have a folder on your computer that stays perfectly in sync with your Google Drive in the cloud, so any changes you make in one place are automatically reflected in the other. First, make sure you have Google Drive for Desktop installed on your computer. This is different from just using Google Drive in your web browser. Google Drive for Desktop runs in the background and handles the syncing for you. If you don't see it installed, you can download it from Google's official Google Drive page and follow the installation prompts. Once that's set up, you're ready to go. Start by opening Google Drive for Desktop. On Windows, you'll usually find the icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen near the clock. On a Mac, you'll see a similar icon in the menu bar at the top of your screen. It typically looks like the Google Drive triangle logo. Click that icon to open the small Google Drive panel. In that panel, look for the settings option. This is often represented by a small gear icon. Click the gear, then choose preferences. This will open a new window where you can control how Google Drive behaves on your computer, including which folders will be synced. Inside the preferences window, you'll see a section labeled My Computer. This is where you set up local folders on your computer that you want to sync with Google Drive. Find and click the button that says Add Folder. This is the key step that tells Google Drive which specific folder on your device you want to keep in sync. When you click Add Folder, a file browser window will open, showing the folders and files on your computer. Take a moment to navigate to the exact folder you want to sync. This could be a work documents folder, a project folder, or any place where you regularly save files that you'd like backed up and accessible from other devices. Click to select that folder and then confirm your choice. After selecting the folder, you'll be asked how you want it to sync. Here, choose the option that says Sync with Google Drive. This means the folder will appear in your Google Drive account online, and any changes you make on your computer will automatically upload. Likewise, edits or new files added from another device to that same folder in Google Drive will download back to your computer. Once you've chosen Sync with Google Drive, click Done to confirm your settings. This closes the setup for that folder and saves your sync preferences. Google Drive for Desktop will now begin syncing the folder in the background. The time this takes will depend on how many files you have and the speed of your internet connection. From now on, you can work in that folder just like you normally would. Add files, rename them, or delete them, and Google Drive for Desktop will keep everything up to date in your Google Drive account. If you ever want to adjust which folders are syncing, you can return to the system tray icon, open settings, go back into preferences, and change or remove folders as needed. That's all you need to auto-sync a folder with Google Drive using Google Drive for Desktop.